Ganito po kami mag-brush ng teeth ni Kai Albert. Ayan. Brush your teeth. Oh, wait. Ay, naku, binubuksan yung gripo. Wait lang po. Oh. So, ito po ang toothbrush ni Kai. Winnie the Pooh. Then, what he has is a, ayan, fluoride-free. SLS and fluoride-free. 100% natural. Siyempre, kailangan natin yan. Then, konting-konti lang. Actually, excited yan si Kai every time na nagbabrush kami ng teeth niya. Mineral water. Dahil hindi ganun kalinis ang tubig dito sa Saudi. Ah, na, ready? Wow! Brush your teeth. Tonight. Brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. In the morning and night. Look at mommy. Brush your teeth in the morning. Kayo? Wow, wow. Good job. Ganyan po yan, Day. Kailangan inuuto. O, up. Paano naman up? O, look at mama. Good job. Soft bristle dapat. Slowly lang. Ayan. Isa pa. Huwag mo po anihin yan. Ano pa? Ay, nakondi ko. O, hold it. Do it yourself. By your tongue. Galing nga. Brush. So, twice a day siya nagbabrush, guys. Ay, kayo, look at mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last na lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan po. Finish! And ang pinaka-exciting part kay Kai ay ayan. Magmumog. Actually, medyo marunong-runong to eh. Basang-basa na siya kasi papalitan ko na siya ng panjama, guys. Ahem. 1, 2. 1, 2. Last na. Oh, ganon. Do you want one more? One more. And then, finish na po kami. And then, I have to close this. Finish na, anak. Babay ka na sa kanila. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye.